Good morning, students all. Last class we finished up to problem number 25. 26 we will discuss. For the arrangement of capacitors as shown in the circuit, the effective capacitance between the points A and B is what? What is the question they are asking is, so 26 you see, what they are asking is here 4 microfarad and 4 microfarad here, and here 4 microfarad, okay, and here 4 microfarad and 4 microfarad, and here point B is there, here point A is there. What is the effective capacitance of this circuit? Okay, in between these two what is there? Just wire. In between these two what is there? Just wire. So this total I can shift to here, there will be no change. Means what I am doing? So this 4 microfarad, this 4 microfarad I am writing here, and this value will be B, and this one we had to, this one only we shifted to there. Then observe this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. So PQRS, this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. So what will happen? This will be ineffective. So this 4 microfarad will also be ineffective. This 4 and 4 will be in series. Effective will be 2. This 4 and 4 will also be in series. Effective will be 2. This is 2 microfarad. This will be 2 microfarad. Here A. Here B will be there. So 2 again what will happen? Effective capacity, that's value is equal to 4 microfarad. So simply you can write, if all capacitors are identical in a balanced Wheatstone bridge, the effective capacity is equal to one capacitor's capacity. Like that you can write. So answer will be 4 microfarad. 26, it will be first option. Next question number 27. The work done to move a charge on an equipotential surface. Equipotential surface means 2 points are at the same potential. There is no potential difference between the points. Therefore, work done value is equal to 0. 27, W is equal to V2 minus V1 into Q. This is V minus V into Q. 0 into Q, that is 0. Work done to move the charge on the equipotential surface, that value is equal to 0. 27, it will be 4. Next. 28, what they are asking, see. Two capacitors 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in series, and a potential difference of 900 volt is applied across the combination. Then they are disconnected and reconnected in parallel. The potential difference across the combination is what? So 2 capacitors are there. One is 3 microfarad. Another one value will be 6 microfarad. These two are connected in series. Okay. and a potential difference of 900 volt is applied across them, then what is the effective capacity? We will calculate first. C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, 18 by 9, this value 2 microfarad, that is the capacity value. And what is the potential value? They gave 900. So what is the charge stored in it will be C into V, 2 into 900, this value 1800 microcoulombs. That is the charge stored in it. Now they are disconnected and they are connected in parallel. Okay, so now these two are connected in parallel. Then what is the PD across these two? They are asking. Okay, so charge on this will be 1800 microcoulombs. Charge on this will be 1800 microcoulombs. So therefore charge on each capacitor is equal to 1800 microcoulombs. Total charge Q is equal to 1800 on one capacitor, 1800 on another capacitor. Totally it becomes 3600 microcoulombs. So again when they are connected in parallel, charge remains constant. So Q dash is equal to C dash V dash, like that we are taking 3600. C dash will be there in parallel. Effective will be 3 plus 6. This is 3 microfarad. This is 6 microfarad. Effective will be 9 microfarad. Here micro will cancels into V dash. If we calculate V dash value will be 400 volt. Okay. So 28, it will be fourth option. Next 29. Two metal plates are separated by 2 centimeter. The potential of the plates are minus 10 and 30 volt. The electric field between the two plates is how much? So, what is the question, what they are asking? So, 29, what they are asking is, two metal plates are there. Okay, this is one metal plate, this is another metal plate, this is minus 10 volt, this value plus 30 volt. The distance between these two will be 2 centimeter. What is the electric field between them? E is equal to dV by dx. Okay, so 30 minus of minus 10 by dx, distance between them is 2 centimeter, means 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. If we calculate this value, 40 into 10 square by 2, this value 2000 volt per meter. That is the intensity of the electric field. 29, that is. Next 30. What the question is, see. One combination is given. What is the equivalent capacity between A and B? That is the question. Okay. So if we observe, here this is 50 picofarad. Here this is 100 picofarad, 100 picofarad, and here 50 picofarad, like this, A, B. What this value, they gave it as 50 picofarad. What is the effective capacity between A and B? That is the question. Okay, we'll do. So here A na, here also A, here also A. Okay, here this will be B. I am considering this is some point C, C, C. All are C's only because just wire. If you redraw the diagram, here A, here C, here it will be B. Okay, A to C, 50 picofarad. Again A to C, this two. 100, 100, and C to B or B to C, 50 picofarad. See what will happen? These two are in series. This will be equal to 50. 50, 50 again 100. So here 100 picofarad A, here this will be C, this will be 50 picofarad. These two are in series. What will be the effective capacity means CAB is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So 100 into 50 by 150, 53 times will cancel. This value is equal to 100 by 3 picofarad. Okay. So option for that will be 30. It will be second option. Clear? Next 31. Capacitor of capacitance C charged by an amount Q is connected with an uncharged capacitor of capacity 2C. The final charges on the capacitors are, okay. See what they are giving. Capacitor capacity is C. It is charged to A by an amount of Q. Okay. It is connected with an unparalleled, it is connected in parallel with uncharged capacitor of capacity 2C. Final charges on that is what? Parallel na potential difference will be constant. Then charges capacities ratio is equal to charges ratio is capacitors ratio, capacities ratio. Okay, then Q1 by Q2 is equal to C value is C, this is 2C, this value is equal to 1 by 2. Total how much? 3. Q1 will be, if total charge is Q only total charge, it is not having any charge. Therefore, Q1 is equal to what will happen, or write one more step. Q1 by Q2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. This is Q1 plus Q2 by Q2 is equal to 3 by 2. Q1 plus Q2 is equal to capital Q. So, capital Q by Q2, 3 by 2. Q2 is equal to 2Q by 3. Then Q1 is equal to how much? Capital Q minus Q2. This value Q minus 2Q by 3. This value Q by 3. So Q1 value will be Q by 3. Q2 value will be 2Q by 3. 31, it will be third option. Next 32 you see, a particle of mass m, charge Q, is placed at rest in uniform electric field capital E and then released. The kinetic energy attained by the particle after moving a distance y is how much? So what the question is, so what they are asking is, particle is there, its mass is m, charge is q. It is at rest in the uniform electric field and released. What is the kinetic energy of this? Ke is equal to F into S. Kinetic energy is equal to work done. Work done formula will be F into S. This value F is EQ. Displacement value is Y. So this value EQY. So 32, it will be third option. Next 34. See 34. No, 33. 33. One graph is given. In that graph, they are asking different here graph is like this. So here this is 1, 2. Now they gave here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Here 4, here 5. Between here 3 is there. And the values given here 2. Here it will be 4. Here V, if this is X. What is the relation between EA, EB, EC, ED? That is the question. Actually, E is equal to minus dV by dx. This is the formula. E is equal to minus dV by dx. So, if you observe for A and C, there is no change in the potential. EA is equal to what will happen here? 2. Here also 2. Change in the potential will be 2 minus 2 by this distance 1 minus 0. This is equal to 0. For B, if we calculate, EB is equal to minus, here this will be 4, here it will be 2. So this value 4 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So this value, how much we will get here? No. 4 minus 2, this is 4, this is 2. 4 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. So this value will be minus 2 by 1. So this value potential difference here, this is 4, this is 2. So this value minus 2 volt per meter. For C, if we draw, EC is equal to, here 4, here also 4. So minus of 4 minus 4 by, here 4 x value, here this is 2, 4 minus 2, this value is equal to 0. If you write for ED, this portion, here 0, here it is 4. So minus of 0 minus 4 by 5 minus 4. Is it understanding? Here 2, because this is a straight line, here 2, here also 2. 2 minus 2 by 1 minus 0 for EA. For EB, here potential is 4, here potential is 2. So minus of 4 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 for EB. EC, what will happen? Here 4, here also 4. 4 minus 4 by 4 minus 2. For ED, what will happen? Here it is 0. Here it is 4 minus of 0 minus 4 by 5 minus 4. So this value 4 volt per meter. So if we write the relations between them, EA value, EC value is equal to 0. EA is equal to EC, that is equal to 0. EB, ED values, if we compare, EB value will be less than ED. So EB less than ED. Okay. So 33, it will be second option. Okay. That is about 33. Next 34. A system of two charges separated by a certain distance apart stores electrical potential energy. If the distance between them is increased, potential energy of the system. Okay. So here what we will get, see, 34. Two charges are there. They are separated by some distance. I am assuming this is 2 microcoulomb. This is 4 microcoulomb. Let this distance is some 5 centimeter. Any value we can take, just for your understanding. What is the potential energy of the system? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r. Now the distance between the charges is increased. So initially this is the distance. Now distance is increased. When distance is increased, what will happen? Potential energy will decreases if these two are positive. For example, in that two charges, one is negative. What will happen? Potential value will increases. Okay, so like that it will be there. So may increase or may decrease. If these two are positive charges, potential energy value will decreases. One is positive and one is negative. Potential energy value will increases. So 34, it will be third option. Okay. Next, question number 1, you see neat corner. What they are asking? Here, what they are asking here is, here this is O, here this is A, here this will be B, here this is Q, here it will be minus Q. What is the question? Is this is A, this is also A. We are moving a charge minus Q from A to B. What is the work done? That is the question. We are moving a charge minus Q from A to B. What is the amount of work done? Here if you observe, potential at A, potential at B is due to this small q. This small q, this A point, this B point are at equal distances from Q. So potentials will be equal. Potential at A is equal to potential at B. Understanding, then what is the work done? W is equal to potential difference into charge. This charge will be minus Q. Potential difference will be 0 into minus Q. So work done value will be equal to 0. So no work is required to move this minus Q from A to B. Why means A and B will be at the same potential. Simple question. Next, second question you see. What they are asking? Here A, Q1 is there. Next, here B, Q2 is there. Here at C, Q3 is there. These distances are, this is 30 centimeter, in between these two 40 centimeter. two charges Q1 and Q2 are placed 30 centimeter apart as shown in the figure. A third charge Q3 is moving along the arc of a circle of radius 40 centimeter. So it moves along the arc of a circle of radius 40 centimeter. From C to D, the change in the potential energy of the system is Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught into K. What is the value of K? That is the question. So here, initial potential energy we will write first. What to write? U1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Initial potential energy means Q3 is here, Q1 is here, Q2 is here. Okay? So, this distance value will be how much? This is 40, this is 30 means this right angle triangle, that will be 50 centimeter. So, what is the initial potential energy? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1, Q2 by 30 centimeter means 0.3. Q2, Q3 by 0.5. Q3, Q1 by 0.4. Okay, that is the initial potential energy. Final potential energy, what will happen? See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This Q3 came to here. It came from here to here. Here Q3 is there in the second case. Now again, if you write the potential energy, Q1, Q2 by 30 centimeter means 0.3 meter. Q2, Q3 that will be 10 centimeter means 0.1. Next Q3, Q1 by 0.4. Okay, if you subtract these two, that is the change in the potential energy. Delta U is equal to U2 minus U1. You observe, these two terms are same. These two terms are same. If you subtract, this minus this will be 0, this minus this will be 0. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2, Q3 by 0.1 minus Q2, Q3 by 0.5. Okay. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 10 Q2, Q3. 0.1 by 0.1 means 10. Next, this value 1 by 0.5 means 2. 2 Q2, Q3. So this is 8 Q2, Q3. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 8 Q2, Q3. In the question, what they are asking, Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q3 by 4 pi epsilon naught into this value 8 Q2. What is the K value they are asking? K value will be 8 Q2. Second question, it will be third option for second question. Okay.